to experience the Christos alignment directly. Christos Alignment Practice, an invitation to direct experience. Welcome. Today's practice connects us with Christos, the anointed energy, the primordial creative vibration. This is not something to believe in as a concept, but rather an invitation to experience directly. Through this alignment, you will feel for yourself the connection to the Christ energy, raising your consciousness to align with your truest self. Understanding the Christ energy. Christ energy is the original spark from which all creation flows. It is a vibration that connects us to our essence, pure consciousness, light, and love. Many of us vibrate within the bounds of the 3D world in linear time. Aligning with Christos allows us to transcend these limits, freeing our energy bodies from the 3D world's constraints, opening us to inner peace and freedom. Why align with Christos? When we open ourselves to Christos, we move toward our spiritual birthday, a moment of rebirth and awakening. All it requires is openness and a willingness to experience. Letting the Christ energy work within dissolves inner barriers, bringing peace, joy, and clarity. If you feel ready, let's experience this together. Christos Alignment Exercise. This practice will guide you in channeling Christ energy through gentle movement and visualization, aligning your chakras and connecting your consciousness to the divine. 1. Set the space and prepare. Find a comfortable place to stand or sit with your spine straight. Close your eyes, take a few slow, deep breaths, and center yourself, letting go of any distractions. 2. Set an intention for openness. Silently affirm, I open myself to the Christ energy, the primordial creative force. I align my being with this divine source, freeing myself from limitations and welcoming peace and inner freedom. 3. Raise your hands to receive. Raise both hands above your head, palms facing up toward a divine light source above. Visualize or sense a golden white light representing the Christ energy pouring down. Feel this light showering over you, filling you with warmth, peace, and love. 4. Draw the divine light down. Slowly lower your hands, palms facing down. Guide this light into your body through your crown chakra at the top of your head. Let it flow down through each chakra, cleansing and energizing as it moves. 5. Cleanse and align each chakra. Crown chakra of head. Feel the light illuminating divine consciousness at the crown. Third eye chakra. As it moves to the third eye, let it awaken intuition and inner vision. Bring the light to the throat, clearing the path for truth and wisdom. Heart chakra, chest. Fill your heart with compassion and unconditional love. Solar plexus, upper abdomen. Strengthen your willpower, aligning it with divine will. Sacral chakra, lower abdomen. Awaken creativity and balanced emotions. Root chakra, base of spine. Ground this energy, stabilizing and anchoring it in your body. Pause 6. Ground the energy into the earth. Lower your hands further, visualizing the light flowing through your legs and feet into the earth. Imagine it reaching the heart of Mother Earth, grounding and balancing you deeply. 7. Closing with gratitude. Place your hands over your heart, feeling the sense of alignment and peace within. Take a few breaths in gratitude, acknowledging the divine connection. 8. Reflect and integrate. As you conclude this practice, notice any sensations of lightness, peace, or inner freedom. Regularly returning to this practice strengthens your alignment and deepens your awareness of your true essence. Through this Christos alignment exercise, you are invited to connect to your true self, a being of light, love, and consciousness. Return to this practice whenever you need to ground, balance, or seek higher alignment.